Damavo Boat Type USB Car Charger Series. Multiple interfaces can be combined arbitrarily. Customizable multicolor LED options. It is also equipped with overload, overheat, short circuit and reverse connection protection. YM1125, YM1125AC, YM1125PD, dual interface output. YM1124. Provides stable power supply for multiple devices. Equipped with waterproof and dustproof covers. Constructed with fireproof materials. Easy to install, panel mountable. Used in various fields including vehicles, equipment, marine, and home applications. Damavo also provides lighting and power solutions.